everybody! I thought we'd have another go at Kim's game today. Can you remember how to play? Kim's game is the game when we have to do good remembering. We have to remember things that we've seen and guess which thing is missing. So today we're going to do this with some animals. I've got a giraffe. I've got an elephant. I've got a rhino. I've got a hippo. And I've got a lion. Are you ready to play? Let's have a look. Here they all are on the table. We've got a lion, a hippo, a rhino, an elephant and a giraffe. I'm going to cover them over. No peeking. Which one is missing? That's right, it was the lion. No peeking. Which one is missing? That's right, it was the hippo. No peeking. Which one is missing? That's right, it was the rhino. No peeking. Which one is missing? That's right, it was the elephant. No peeking. Which one is missing? That's right, it was the giraffe. Well done everyone, you did a really good job. Great remembering. Now, if you've got some toy animals at home, perhaps you could have a go at Kim's game too. If you don't have any animals, then you could always play the game with something else. I look forward to hearing about all your remembering. I'll see you soon. Bye.